We have done the basic setup. Now we are going to start writing HTML code. I don't want this panel. Control B to close. I will remove this H1 from here. I will write one comment and inside this I will write header. I will save this. Let me come to my project. If I refresh this one, now completely blank. I do not have anything inside my project. For header, first I will be using this header tag. I will come down. I will close my header tag here. Below this, I will create div, and for this div, I will give the class as header body. Whatever names you want, you can give. I have given header body. Inside this, I will be creating anchor tag. And whenever I click on this anchor tag, I should be redirected to index.php because inside this, I will be giving my company name. Whatever name I have thought, I am just going to give that TechnoBling. I will save this. I will just give in capital letters. I will save. I will come to project. Now I will refresh this. Now you can see here I am having TechnoBling. And also for this anchor tag, I will be giving the class as logo. Okay, later on to do the stylings, I have given class. Now below this anchor tag, I will be creating nav. And for this nav, I will give the class as navbar. Inside this navbar, I will be creating 3 anchor tags, A into 3. I will bring down 1 and 3. Totally 3 anchor tags I have created. First, I will be adding add products. Second, I will be adding view products. And third, I will be adding shop it. Okay, basically a cart. I will save. I will refresh this. Add product, view products and shop it. Okay, the same thing I am having here. Then after that, we are having this cart symbol. Our nav is ending here. Below this nav, I will be writing one comment. I will write here shopping cart icon. Below this, I will be writing anchor tag, and inside this anchor tag, I will give the class. Class is nothing but cart. And for this, I will be using the icon. I will search for font awesome icons. I will click on the first link. Here I will be writing shopping cart. I will open this. I will copy the code. And inside this anchor tag, I'm going to paste that one. I will save this. I will come here. Now if I refresh, you can see here I am having shopping cart. Now after this shopping cart, you can see here I am having one number. So for that, I will just create one span tag. I will be closing the span. And inside this span tag, let me just remove this question mark. Inside the span tag, I will be using this sub tag. And here I will be closing this. And now whatever I write inside this one, this number will come on top of the cart. I will refresh this. Now you can see on top of cart, this number is visible. Then after that, inside header, when we make this responsive, inspect, you can see here we have this menu bar. In the responsive, you can see I just come down. As soon as it goes to smaller screen, here I am having this menu bar. You can see when I click on this, I will be getting this result. For that, I will be creating one div. Below this anchor tag, I will be creating one div. And for this div, I will give the ID because we can use this inside JavaScript. Menu btn, and for this I'm just going to give the class. class is equal to FAS. Later on, we are going to use this FAS bars. I will save this. I will come. I will refresh this one. Now you can see here I am having this menu bar. You can use icon, or if you use this class, you will be getting that menu bar. As of now, we are working only on larger screen. We are not going to use this div. So I will just comment it out. Later on, we are going to use this. I will save this file. I will come to my project. I will refresh this. Now that menu bar has gone. Inside header, what we have done, first we have created header tag. Inside that, we have included div. And for this header also, I will give the class as header. Div, then we have created the nav bar. And below this nav bar, we are having shopping cart icon. And finally, we have created this menu bar for smaller screens. We are done with our header. As I told you, we are not going to cover CSS in this entire tutorial because CSS is a complete different subject. In this tutorial, we are only going to focus on PHP part. When it comes to PHP, writing HTML becomes very important because people will get confused where name should be written, where value should be written. So HTML template is very important. So I will show you complete HTML template. CSS stylings I have already done. Later on, entire CSS code I will be showing you so that you can take the screenshot and you can practice by yourself. Okay, we have completed our header. Next, we are going to do some more HTML part.